So one of the things that we see all of the time with the Xplore 304, people talking about, is this front L-shaped lounge, and when you make it into a bed, you've got a huge expanse that isn't supported. So there is a tip for this. It's been working well for us so far. I know we're only 6 months in, but we are quite on the heavier side. So we feel that it's a good one. So let me show you what I'm talking about. And you see the L-shaped lounge here. What happens when you make the bed up? And I'm not gonna do it properly, but when you make the bed up, you pull the slats. You know, they come out really simply out of here, and they come up to there. But as you can see, when you climb into bed, you're climbing over this. You can see there's flex in it. It's not supported really, other than by these plastic runners at the two sides. And what happens is either these runners snap, or the wood here snaps. So what do? What we've got, and we keep them in here, is, again, they're just from Amazon, is these. Now, for those of you that remember going and getting your passport photo done in a booth in Boots, these spin and extend. So what we do is just place them under here and let these take the weight. I'm not gonna do them all the way, but you just need to get it so it bites. So there you go, see, that one's there. Again, same, this one we place, I'm not going to do that one, but you see, we just place them under these two slats, and then suddenly you can see that they are helping take the weight. So rather than just these, all the weight being on this piece here, this piece there, as you kneel on here to get in, you've got these extra points. Now these, you probably won't see it, but these are soft-ish on the end. They're not completely hard plastic. So again, you know, shouldn't damage the floor. And we leave our rug that we've got from Amazon down as well. So that's our hint for the beds. We started off with blocks of wood that we cut, but again, those blocks of wood, it's quite a small footprint, so it still puts quite a bit of weight on the floor, and we were concerned about it actually denting the lino, leaving marks. So you know, you can see the size of this. It's pretty much the palm of my hand, maybe even a bit more. So it does spread that weight out quite a lot. Really good. So yeah, that's our next tip. If you like our tips, you know, please do subscribe and hit the bell to get notified of any new ones. Leave some comments. Would love to hear from you. You know, whether the tip's useful or not, whether you think I could describe it in a different way, it'd be fab to hear. Yeah, I hope to hear from you soon. See you on the next one.